Good morning, students. I am Nagarazu, Maths faculty in Tadpatri. At Tadpatri in Target High School students. So today I introduce linear equation in two variable chapter part 1. Okay. So observe what is equation, what is linear equation, what is linear equation in one variable, what is linear equation in two variables. First of all we discuss. Okay, here. What is equation? An expression having equality symbol is called an equation. Next one. What is linear equation? Let us take examples. X plus 3 equal to 0. And again, x plus y or a plus b, anyone take it. A plus b equal to 3. Observe both equations. Here, variable observe, the power of a variable is 1. Here also the power of variables a and b is 1, 1. So both are equation. Both are the power is 1. So how to define? An equation of the degree is 1. An equation of the degree is 1 is called a linear equation. Linear equation. Right. So x plus 3 is it a linear equation in one variable, and a plus b equal to 3 is it a linear equation in one variable? Yes. Observe here. First one is linear equation in one variable. So how to define means a linear equation having only one variable. Only one variable is called a linear equation in one variable. Observe like that examples. So y plus 7 equal to 0. Or y plus 7 equal to 5. Next, a equal to 3. Next, b plus 6 equal to minus 7. Like this, other students. All are having only one variables, but not two variables. That's why. And also, the power is 1. So, these examples are linear equation in one variable. Right. So, already we define a linear equation having only one variable is called a linear equation in one variable. It is also called as simple equation. It is also called as simple equation. Yes, what is the general form of simple equation? Observe. So, general form. Already we learned in 8th class standard students. What is the general form of linear equation in one variable means? That is ax plus b equal to 0. Ax plus b equal to 0 or ax equal to b. Ax equal to b. So like this taken students. Ax plus b, and here also a equal to 3 like this. Okay. So where the condition for all a is not equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. Conditions apply. If a equal to 0, what happens? Suppose a equal to 0, a into x it becomes 0. So here only constant. Only constant. Constant means does not have any the variable degree is 1. That's why conditions apply for all. A is not equal to 0 and a comma b belongs to R for real numbers. R for real numbers. Right. Go for another point. Right. How many solutions are there in a simple equations? Observe here. Y plus 7 equal to 5. Plus 7 transfer right side becomes minus. So y equal to minus 2. Here a equal to 3. Here b equal to minus 13. How many solutions are there? Only one solution. So here simple equation having unique nothing but one. Unique solution. Unique solution. Okay students, next one. What is the graph of a linear equation in one variable? Means simple equation. So what is the graph? So a graph of a simple equation is a straight line. The graph of a simple equation is a straight line. These the points are learning in 8th class standard students. Okay, clear? I thought. Right, go for linear equation in two variables. How can introduce? Let us take for examples. 2x plus 3y equal to 0, and second one root 5u minus root 2v equal to 7. Next one, third one. S by 2 minus t by 3 equal to 3. Observe this one. Here these are variables and these are coefficients. So x coefficient is 2, y coefficient is 3. 2 and 3 are rational numbers. And root 5 is coefficient of u, root 2 is coefficient of v equal to 7. These are irrational numbers, means it is an real numbers. So s by 2, 1 by 2 is a coefficient of s, 1 by 3 is a coefficient of t. That means here observe this linear equation and also power x power 1, y power 1, u power 1, v power 1, s power 1, t power 1, all are power is 1. So a linear equation having two variables are called linear equation in two variables. Okay, there is no other name. Okay, students, observe the conditions. So here, apply the general form of linear equation in two variables. What is the general form? It is very, very important, students. So general form of linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Or another way, ax plus by equal to c. Here some students are thinking plus c transfer right side becomes minus. No need. Here constant value either in left position or in right position, both are general forms are equal. Okay. For example, observe students. So 2x plus 3y plus 7 equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y equal to 7. Both are linear equation, two variables. In that, variables power is same. So constant either in left position or right position, whatever it may be, both are in linear equation in two variables. Okay, students observe what is the general form of linear equation two variables is ax plus by plus c equal to 0 or ax plus by equal to c, where the conditions where a comma b simultaneously is not equal to 0. Simultaneously means at a time. A comma b is not equal to 0, and again a, b, c belongs to R, real numbers. Okay, students, if it is given in word forms, words, how can for framing a general form of linear equation in two variables? Let us discuss now. Okay, observe. So, analyze the problem carefully. This problem related in words. Sachin and Sehwag scored 137 runs together. Express the information in the form of an equation. An equation is linear equation in two variable students. So, first of all, observe the solution carefully. Solution given. Runs scored by Sachin. Runs scored by Sachin. So let me consider x. Okay. First of all, let b. Runs scored by Sachin equal to x. Next, runs scored by Sehwag. Equal to y. Okay, students. According to the problem, A, T, B. What is given? Sachin and Sehwag scored 137 runs together. Together means both. Then that implies x plus y equal to 137. X plus y equal to 137. This is the linear equation in two variable students. Let us go for another problem. Right. So observe the solution here. First of all, analyze the problem carefully. Hema's age is 4 times the age of Mary. Hema's age is 4 times the age of Mary. First we consider age of Mary equal to x and Hema's age equal to y, or inverse also. Okay. Then Hema's age is, okay, let me consider age of Hema equal to x EX. And again, age of Mary equal to y years. Okay, students, aside say means let be like this. Age of Hema equal to x years. Age of Mary equal to y years. According to the problem, what they given? Here observe. Hema's age is 4 times the age of Mary. That is x equal to 4y. X equal to 4y. Plus 4y transfer left side becomes minus. That is x minus 4y equal to 0. This is the linear equation in two variable students. Okay. Right. So page number 126, example 3. A number is 27 more than the number obtained by reversing its digits. If its units and tens digits are x and y respectively, write the linear equation. Okay, students. So what they given, observe solution given carefully. Okay. Units placed digit. Units placed digit. Unit place digit we have taken UPD. UPD equal already given according to the problem x students. Next one, tens place digit. Tens placed digit. Tens place digit equal to TPD equal to 1. Okay. So then the number equal. Okay. Here observe students. I take one 32. The number is 32. Okay, here. Observe here. 2 in units place, 3 in tens place. How can form a number? Okay, observe here. 3 in 10 plus 2 into 1. So here by adding the ones place a digit multiplied by 1, tens place a digit multiplied by 10, then we can get a number. Is it clear or not? Same procedure here. Number. So tens place a digit multiplied by 10, ones place a digit multiplied by 1 and add them, we can get a number students. Then that implies 10 into y plus x into 1 or 1 into x. 1 into x. Finally it becomes 10 into y nothing but 10y plus x students. Okay. Next, after reversing digits. After reversing digits. After reversing digits, then number equal. After reversing digit means, so units plus digit y, tens plus digit x. So after reversing digits, number equal to just this interchange you can get the result. That is 10x plus y. 10x plus y interchange the values. Then according to the problem, what are given observe? According to the problem, starting line observe. A number is 27 more than the number obtained by reversing its digit. That means first number. How much first number? 10y plus x. So 10y plus x equal to. After reversing digits, what about the number? 10x plus y. 10x plus y. How much more value? More means you can take plus 27. Okay. This value transfer left side. 10y plus x. This one minus 10x minus y equal to 27. Okay. Plus x minus 10x means minus 9x. 10y minus 9 means plus 9y equal to 27 students. Okay. In both terms minus 9 or simply 9 as a common factor. 9 as a common factor. So here minus x plus y equal to 27. 9 ones, 9 threes. So finally minus x plus y equal to 3. Okay, in all the terms multiplied by minus, then x minus y minus 3 transfer left side becomes plus. So plus 3 equal to 0. This is the linear equation in two variable students. Okay, observe this problem. This model is very, very important in exam point of view. Yes, observe this problem. Example 4. Express each of the following equations in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This equation expresses ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and write the values of a, b and c students. Write the values of a, b and c. So first one solution given as usual. So number 1. So plus 5 transfer left side becomes minus. So that is 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. So this is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0 students. Okay, here comparison. How much a value? It is 3. B value 4. C value minus 5. Okay, then a equal to 3 and b equal to 4 and c equal to minus 5. And second one, what about second one? X minus 5 equal to root 3 into 1. So y value expressed in left side automatic plus convert into minus and also expressed in second position, that is x minus root 3 into y minus 5 equal to 0. That is here comparison ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So a equal to 1, b equal to minus root 3, okay, c equal to minus 5. And comes to third one. Comes to third one. 3x equal to y. So 3x equal to y. Plus 5 transfer left side becomes minus. Okay. So then 3x minus y. By adding 0, there is no change of equation. Okay. So then comparison ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Then a equal to 3 and b equal to minus 1, c equal to 0. At last students, fourth problem. X by 2 plus y by 2 plus 1 by 6 transfer left side becomes minus. Minus 1 by 6 equal to 0. So comparison. X by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by 2 into y minus 1 by 6 equal to 0. So here then ax plus by plus c equal to 0 comparison. Then a equal to 1 by 2 and b equal to 1 by 2, c equal to minus 1 by 6. This is the approximate of a solution. First, whatever it may be given the equation, convert into ax plus by plus c equal to 0 form. Then find a value, b value, c. You can get the result students. Okay. Right. Page number 127, example 5 students. Express each of the following equations in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and write the values of a, b and c. And previous this is very similar. So here given just only one variable and before example problem x value is given, y value is along with constant values. So how to convert into x plus by? Observe carefully and learn carefully. So first one solution given number 1, x equal to minus 5. X equal to minus 5. There is no y value. X value given, one constant value is given. So here x plus 0 into y, write down students. 0 into anything, it becomes 0. 0 adding any variable, there is no change. So x plus 0 into y minus 5 transform left side becomes plus. So plus 5 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 5 can be written as x plus 0 into y plus 5 equal to 0. Okay. Then comparison of general form, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay. Then here before x means it is 1 into x students. 1 into x nothing but x. So here a equal to 1 and b equal to 0, c equal to 5. So a equal to 1 and again b equal to 0 and c equal to 5. And go for second problem. Y equal to 2. Y equal to 2. This also can be expressed as, so first x value 0 into x plus 0 into anything 0. By adding 0 to y value, there is no change. 0 into x plus 1 into y minus 2 equal to 0. Plus 2 transfer left side becomes minus. Then ax plus by plus 2 equal, minus plus C equal to 0. So comparison of both A equal to 0 and B equal to 1, C equal to -2. Okay, and same as the third and fourth problems also. So observe third problem, students. That is 2x equal to 3. 2x equal to 3. Then 2x plus, what about here? What I express? Yes, 0 into y. So 0 into y minus 3 equal to 0. Minus 3 equal to 0. As comparison, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Then here a equal to 2, b equal to 0, c equal to -3. Next go for fourth problem. What they given? 5y equal to -3. Next one, 0 into x plus 5 into y plus 3 equal to 0. So comparison of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. What about a value here? A equal to 0, b equal to 5, c equal to 3. So a equal to 0 and b equal to 5 and c equal to 3, students. Okay, observe in exercise 6.1 along with try this problem, all are related to this model problem, students. Take homework part and solve them carefully. So I will check after opening the schools, go through what we discussed in these chapters. So I will check your notebook, students. All of you take a rough notebook and write down the concepts and practice the problems carefully. What I gave the homework problems also must be written in your notebook, students. Next tomorrow video we discuss remaining problems. So all of students must be exercise 6.1 and try these problems, 6.1 problems and try these problems also, practice it carefully. Okay.